Hi there, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your availability within the ELO app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into the app, whether that be on the website or on your mobile device. Today I'm going to be showing you on the website, but it works just the same regardless. So now that you've logged in, you should see on your newsfeed below your name on the left side, there's going to be a button that says available. For me, it says unavailable because I've just changed my availability, but for you, it will say available. So you're going to want to click on that. And once you're here, you'll simply click I am away and then put in the dates for which you are away. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, the first reason is that you're away on vacation or unavailable because you're busy with work or anything like that. And that is going to be the most common reason. Now, the second reason why you could do this, and another function of this availability feature, is that you can agree to have a maximum number of conversations. What this means is that you can essentially agree to have a set number of mentees. So let's say you want to have only one or two mentees. In that case, you will check this box right here, and then you will select the number of mentees that you want to have. So in the case of it just being one, you're going to check the box, and then you're going to write one. And once you have an active conversation, you'll automatically become unavailable on the app, and new mentees won't be able to contact you. So what this does, once you click save, if you've put away that you're away for a set period of time and that period starts now, on your profile, it'll show that you're unavailable, and it'll show the date until which you're unavailable.